Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Achieving Alpha. And in this video, we are going to talk about a stock in which, if you would have started an SIP of just rupees 15,000 per month 20 years back, you would have been a millionaire by now. I will prove it soon. But does stock performance in the past guarantee similar performance in the future? Absolutely not. But this one particular company has the following. First, a monopoly in their particular segment. Second, a sound business model. Third, strong fundamentals. And fourth, a management with over 60 years of experience. So we can definitely expect the good performance of this company to continue. So now that I have convinced you enough about the goodness of this particular company, let me break the suspense and reveal the stock name. So we'll go to the charts right away. So I'm talking about Pidilite Industries. Now, I am very sure that most of you are aware about the products that this particular company produces. Some of its famous brands include Fevicol, Fevistick, Dr. Fixit, Fevikwik, and M-Seal. And I'm sure that most of you have used these products at some point in your life. The company belongs to the business of specialty chemicals and adhesives, and this company has given really good returns in the past. We'll have a look at them soon. But before that, let's just try to see the financial trend of the company. So we'll see that the revenue and the profits have been increasing year on year, and this company has been generating really good wealth for its investors. Talking about the returns, so in 1 month, the stock is more or less flat. It has given a return of about 1.55%. Talking about 1 year, the stock has given decent returns of about 11%. In 5 years, the stock has given you a really good returns of about 195%. Talking about the return on equity and the return on capital employed, again, it is well above our filters of 15%. The company has an ROE of 26.8% and an ROCE of about 34.6%, which I think is really great. As mentioned, it's a large cap company with a market cap of 89,501 crores. That's a bit about the company. Let's have a look at the financials of the company. So if you look at the income sheet, the total revenue has been increasing year on year. The earnings have also been increasing. The profit before tax has been increasing, and the EPS has also been increasing. Talking about the cash flow, the free cash flow of the company has been steady for the last 4 years, but you will see that in financial year 2020 there has been a drastic jump, so that is really good. Now, talking about the financials and everything that we have discussed the free cash flow, we discussed about the past returns. Now, let's try to see what sort of delivery data is there in this particular company for the last 2 weeks. So, we are again back at the NSE's website, and we'll try to see what sort of delivery has there been in Pidilite for the last 2 weeks. You will see that there has been a very strong delivery, a minimum delivery of more than a 30% on each day since the last 2 weeks, and people have been trying to accumulate this particular stock on every dip that they find in the markets. Now, talking about the question of SIP and what sort of returns you would have made. So, we'll try to calculate the CAGR of this particular company since its listing, and we'll see what sort of CAGR has this company given to us. Again, I will open the all-time chart, and we basically have data for about 21 years. So the company was listed roughly in about 2000, and since then it has given you an all-time returns of about 10,200%. That is really great, and it has made your money almost 102 times. So it has multiplied your money by 100 times. Isn't that really great? Now let's just try to calculate the CAGR that his company has given. Again, I have already done the calculations for you. So this company has given you a CAGR of over 24.72% in the last 21 years. What sort of FD or savings account gives you that? None, right? So this company has been really consistent in terms of providing returns to its investors. And for those of you who are wondering, that's the formula for the CAGR. You basically take the price today, you divide it by the price of the beginning, and then you raise it to the exponent of 1 over the number of years, and then you subtract 1. That's what I've done here, right? So you can see that this has given you returns of about 24.72% every single year. So let's just try to see what sort of money you would have made if you would have started an SIP of just rupees 15,000. The return, as we saw, is 24.72% annually, and then the time period was 21 years, right? Okay, let me change this manually. Yeah, so you can see that it has in fact even made you more than 1 million had you just invested rupees 15,000, or even if you would have invested rupees 10,000, you would have become a millionaire by now. That is really great. And even if you consider, lump sum investment of rupees 1 lakh, so if you had invested rupees 1 lakh, as I mentioned, your money would have been multiplied by 102 times. Again, if I tell you, so that makes again over a 1 crore rupees. That is really great. And you can see that the kind of growth that this particular company has given you till now has been enormous. And again, as I mentioned, that past returns do not guarantee similar returns in future, but the company looks really great, the promoters are really bullish, and they have a lot of experience. And the good part is that the company has monopoly in its particular business. So all of these points make it a really attractive long-term investment for me. And the good part, again, as I mentioned, is the consistent returns. The monopolistic business, which will compound your wealth in the long run. And I personally hold this company in my long term portfolio, and that's why I'm recommending it to you guys. You can blindly invest in this company and then just sit back and relax and watch your money compound over the time. I hope you like this particular video. And if you do, please consider pressing the like button. And thank you so much. We have crossed over 1,000 subscribers in under 2 months. That is really a big achievement for me. Thank you. Thank you so much for spreading the love. And please continue doing the same. So, yeah, that's it for this video then. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. And if you're coming here for the first time, see you in the next video then. Take care and bye bye.